POV, hindi mo na kailangang gumastos sa cafe para ma-feel yung main character morning energy. Lately, ito yung coffee na inaabangan ko every morning. Ang Hell Cafe by Angel's Pizza. Super easy gawin pero yung lasa, parang cafe-style coffee agad sa bahay. I usually drink it hot in the morning para cozy vibes. Tapos pag afternoon coffee craving, ginagawa ko namang iced. Ang sarap both ways. May 3 flavors ang Angel Cafe. Spanish latte, caramel macchiato, and palm sugar. Honestly, lahat creamy, smooth, rich, and refreshing. But pinaka-favorite ko is caramel macchiato. Yung aroma pa lang, nakakagising na. Tapos less than a minute lang, ready na agad. Perfect sa busy mornings or pag gusto mo lang ng quick coffee break. Feeling ko, ito yung kind of small luxury na deserve natin every day without spending too much. At ito ang bonus. Every purchase comes with a free Angel's Pizza Club card pa. So, if gusto mo ng cafe-style coffee without leaving the house, this might be your next coffee obsession.